Hey guys, what's up? I know you're pretty pissed off from this Fortnite bug. You click this couple times, it doesn't open. Click it again, doesn't open, nothing happens. Right, so I'm gonna tell you how to fix it. I spent like around 4 hours to know how to do it. So apparently you go to you open control panel, right? I'm pretty sure you know how, right? Open control panel. I have a second screen, I already fixed it, right? So I'm gonna tell you how to do it again. You go to programs, programs and features, right? You press D to find, you press E to find Epic Games Launcher, and you right click and you click repair. I already did that and I fixed it already. So you just try it and tell me if you did it or not. And don't forget to like if it worked for you. Thank you very much.